Maddie, you give your baby a kiss? You give your baby a kiss? Let's see. Let's take Passy out. There. Can you give your baby a kiss? Hi. Give your baby a kiss. Say, mwah. Mwah. Good girl. You give your baby another kiss? Say, mwah. Mwah. Where's your baby? Where's your baby? Is that your baby? Mwah. Mwah. Good kiss. Can I give the baby a kiss? Let's see if I can do it. Can I give the baby a kiss? Yeah. Can I give the baby a kiss? Madeline. Can mommy kiss the baby? Where's the baby? Can I kiss the baby? Oh, gentle. 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 Can I kiss your baby? Mwah. Mwah. Let's see. Can I kiss your baby? Where's your thumb? Mwah. You don't want to share your baby? Mwah, 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 mwah. I just wanted to give your baby a kiss. Mwah. Thank you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Thank you for sharing your baby. Yay. Okay, bye-bye.